functional point of view, the cooperative societies have been classified as dash. Answer: unregistered and auxiliary. From the legal point of view, the cooperative societies have been classified as dash. Answer: unregistered and registered. Help and self-responsibility is a dash of cooperation. Answer: value. The dash is the Chief Executive Officer of the ICA. Answer: Director General. Expand ICAO. Answer: International Cooperative Agricultural Organization. Expand CCW. Answer: Consumer Cooperative Worldwide. Expand ICBA. Answer: International Cooperative Banking Association. Expand TICA. Answer: Tourism International Cooperative Associated. Expand IFAP. Answer: International Federation of Agricultural Producers. ICA was founded by International Cooperative Congress held in dash. Answer: London. The apex body of ICA is dash. Answer: General Assembly. What are the important features of cooperation? ഒന്ന്, an association of persons, then രണ്ടാമത് undertaking, then voluntary association, service objective, democratic management, equity, norms of social justice, a part of socio-economic movement. It is based on equality. It is a universal movement founded in all countries of the world. Explain the administration of International Cooperative Alliance. General Assembly. It constitutes the delegates of the affiliated organization. The maximum representation from a country is limited to 20. It elects a president, 2 vice presidents and executive committee. 2. Executive committee. It exercises general control over the affairs of alliance. The director. The secretariat of alliance is headed by the director. 4. General secretary. He is the representative of the member organizations.